people all around us, and she just farted in a ferry. Go. Today we flew in. It's pretty cool. To Vancouver. We took a ferry down to Vancouver Island because we've already been to Vancouver, so we're just going to Vancouver Island, which is more nature and stuff. We just on our way to our hotel, we went to a a butthole in a wall kind of waterfall thing. It was pretty cool. Now we're going to the hotel. We stopped by a little place thingamajig. I don't know what this is, but yeah, I'm gonna go take a nap and I have to go run like 5 miles in a second. Alright, I finished studying. Hey Mom, I finished studying for an hour, right?
Recalls the strange fate of an American adventurer in the nation's mysterious west.
I copied a piece of questions and stuff. What am I supposed to give Dad on Father's Day? I don't have money. I don't have Canadian.
That card would be nice. Just put in.
There's no card.
I did. Gave you the card and put it inside your thing for 3 days.
You stupid.
3 days. What card?
You know it is, and you'll pretend you didn't.
In my bag? I actually don't know what she's talking about, but okay.
I don't. Here it is, dummy.
Oh. Oh, I remember this. Yeah,
You stupid.
Yeah. Do you have Canadian cash? I can go run down somewhere and get something.
No,
Why not?
you can't go anywhere. There's no store.
Downstairs. The vlog wants to see.
That's expensive, those stuff.
Come on. Your boy is in his pajamas attire. Got $30 and I stole from my mom. We can go buy some stuff from father. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, so first, thing was closed. Made the guy open it for me. He's a really nice guy. His gift shop. And, so first, I asked him, wearing all his pajamas, not professional. Told him, yeah, I need to get a gift for my dad. He opened it. He's like, alright, bet. And so he opened it. And he's like, oh, that's really nice of you. I was like, yeah, it's because I'm using my mom's money. So I paid for it using like some cash and bought him a little eagle thing. It was kind of weird. Ow, shit. And he was giving me change back, and he gave me like 100 like coins. It's all in my pocket. I'll show you in a second. But like, dude, there's like 200, and the guy just gives me. He's like. I gave him $6 US no, $10 US Canada. It was like $6, so he's giving me like $4 left. This shit is like 1 million coins. And when he was closing it down, I said thank you and stuff. And he's like, have a nice day. I said, you too. The guy is a local. I'm retarded. Or whatever. I'm out of breath. I don't know why. I'm gonna take a nap.
Go.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
You just stood there. That's oh, it's like Sophie.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
This isn't my.
Got him!
Good.
Don't throw things. They hurt.
It's not on his face.
Control your son.
Dude, we haven't thrown a snowball in years.
Stop it.
How does this work? Yo, mom.